Deepak Tijori, widely recognized for playing the quintessential best friend in Hindi cinema, has had a remarkable yet often underappreciated career in Bollywood. Known for his supporting roles that left a lasting impact, Tijori recently opened up about his unfulfilled desire to be cast as the lead in films and how circumstances beyond his control shaped his career trajectory. Tijori gained prominence in the 1990s, consistently portraying the hero's loyal companion. Whether it was as Balu in Ashiki, Boni in Khiladi, or Gotya in Sadak, Tijori brought a unique depth and charm to these roles, transforming them into memorable characters. He wasn't just a sidekick, he added layers of humor and emotional nuance that enriched the hero's narrative. This ability to stand out in the shadow of the leading man became Tijori's hallmark, much before the era of iconic best friends like Circuit, Arshad Varsi in Munna Bhai MBBS, Kamli, Vicky Kaushal in Sanju, or Ravi, Aditya Roy Kapoor in Ye Jawani Hai Deewani, in films like Jo Jeeta Wohi Sikandar, where he played the antagonist Shekhar Malhotra, and Kabhi Ha Kabhi Na, where he portrayed Kreese. Tijori showcased his versatility, proving he could excel beyond the best friend mold. Despite these strong performances, the opportunity to headline a film as a hero remained elusive. The one time he did play the lead, in Ashutosh Govarikar's Pehla Nasha, the film, despite featuring star-studded cameos by Amir Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, and Saif Ali Khan, failed to make a mark at the box office. Reflecting on his career, Tijori often wondered why he was rarely considered for lead roles, especially when many of his contemporaries were getting their big breaks. In a candid interview with IndianExpress.com, Tijori recounted a conversation with Mahesh Bhatt, who frequently cast him in strong, supporting roles. I once asked Bhatt Saab why I never got to play the hero, Tijori shared. He told me, "It's because you're such a good friend in real life. That quality comes through on screen, making you a convincing and relatable friend to the audience." At the time, I thought he was just brushing me off, but I didn't push further because I was content with the success those roles brought me in films like Ashiki, Sadak, Najayaj, and even in a single song like Galyan Sakli Sonyachi in Dil Hai Ke Manta Nahi. Despite the longing to take on lead roles, Tijori doesn't harbor any bitterness. He acknowledges that his own choices and circumstances played a role in the path his career took. "If I have to blame anyone, it would be just me," he said, reflecting on the journey that made him one of Bollywood's most beloved supporting actors. His legacy as the quintessential best friend remains a testament to his ability to shine even when the spotlight wasn't directly on him.